Hey, welcome to another lean tip of the day. This is the first lean tip of a new year, 2018. And because it's a new year, you may have certain goals, whether that's in your business, your personal life, finances, relationships, whatever. Well, I want to help you with those goals by focusing on the importance of standardization from 3S. So here's what happened. I have a new routine that affects my mornings and evenings that involves exercising, reading, reflection, and various other things. And I recognized just this morning when on my treadmill that I need to standardize my new goals for this year because I had a different way of doing things last year and I've changed things up to accomplish new goals this year. And one of the reasons why sometimes we don't attain our goals is because we don't take the time to implement them, to standardize them around our lives. It's not the only reason, but it's often a very important reason. And your ability to be successful with lean, even if it's here with your morning routines or throughout your entire business, really depends on your ability to take standardization, make it super simple, and affect your physical environments with it. So here's what I realized I needed to do. So as I said, I was right here on my treadmill when I realized mid-run that, gosh, what's my routine for the rest of the morning? What am I doing next? And what am I trying to accomplish? And how much time do I have? And even though I had just made up these new routines, I was struggling to remember it. And I also recognized that, oh my gosh, if I'm struggling to remember it, I'm going to have a harder time holding myself accountable too. So here's what I did. I created this super simple morning routine one-pager that contains everything that I'm doing every day of the week. Now, at a glance, every single time that I'm running on the treadmill, I know exactly what it is that I'm trying to accomplish. And it's that simple. Standardization. It makes us capable of actually following through and not losing ground in our continuous improvement journey. For more lean tips and sound advice for your lean journey, visit us at leansmarts.com.